Welcome guys. Our topic is the Dollar Tree Bunny Easter crafts. You are watching the model of bunny. You can add your face in the model. You are watching another Dollar Tree bunny earth. You are watching three different models of bunnies, beautiful colored. You are watching a newspaper craft, newspaper bunny, a huge bunny. You are watching the carrots and bunny Dollar Tree craft. You are watching the flower on Dollar Tree mixed with bunny. You are watching the two bunnies, beautiful and colorful. You are watching the items of the Easter craft. You are watching the decoration of the Easter with the eggs and the Dollar Tree. You are watching bunny earth. You are watching the Dollar Tree with eggs decorating with the buttons and different colorful items. You are watching a bunny shaped beautiful bow. You are watching a basket with the eggs and bunny. You are watching a Dollar Tree made with decorate with the eggs. You are watching a new craft beautiful Dollar Tree Easter bunny and carrots. You are watching a car model. You are watching the four different colors bunny cube shaped. You are watching a hat decorating with the bunny shape. You are watching the bunny decorating with the eggs. You are watching a small bunny and carrot. You are watching the bunny relaxing in the bathtub. You are watching another bunny shaped wall hanging. You are watching the carrots and the bunny model Dollar Tree. You are watching another small cute bunny models. You are watching how you can made with the eggs cardboard. You are watching two Dollar Trees ideas. You are watching the wood bunny. You make can with wood. You are watching different colored eggs. You can paint on different colors on the eggs. You are watching the Dollar Trees made with bunny decoration. You are watching the chicks different color and multicolor chicks. You are watching two Dollar Trees